like this is the end, but it looks like it keeps going.
So we just finished breaking camp. It is day 3. We're still up on Flagpole. So we're about to head up to the Flagpole Knob area, and we'll stop there for a quick break. And we're going to explore around this area a little bit, and then see if we're going to head to a different trail system today, and decide what we're going to do. We're going to be playing it by ear. So here we go. At this portion of the Union Spring Trail, we climb the last section of what is referred to as the staircase. Videos and pictures don't do this section of the trail justice. While a stock off-road capable vehicle can make it up the staircase, it is still a fun series of small obstacles that make the Union Springs Trail a blast every time I go through. This is the last section of the staircase, in my opinion, the most challenging. If you're not comfortable going straight through the center of it, or climbing up the big rock on the driver's side of the trail, you can stick to the passenger side of the trail and bypass the whole obstacle. Here we began our ascent to Reddish Knob. Reddish Knob sits at an elevation of 4,397 feet and is right on the border of Virginia and West Virginia. The view from the top is spectacular and well worth the trip. After Reddish Knob, we made our way back down into the valley and drove from Harrisonburg to Staunton. While we were stopped in Staunton getting gas, we discussed our options for the night and decided it was too late in the day to start the Big Levels Trail. A couple members of our trip headed home that night, and Rick and I decided to head back to the Switzer Lake area to do a little more exploring of local trails and find a nice spot to camp for the last night.
I didn't see around the corner, I only saw the downed tree. Oh my. Holy. So, on the map, it looks like this is the end, but it looks like it's still.
We can explore a little further.
I wonder if this is just a big loop. I could easily see me making this part of every trip coming up here. There's a steep downhill.
You can drop back down to a little ravine spot.
Steepest I've been down, but enough for, like I said, enough for a confidence builder for somebody, less experienced. This is great. You're not going to get the Honda Civic coming back here. There's a little cutoff to the left there. I don't know what's there. Wraps around here, and you should be able to. I'm going to move a couple of these just cut logs and
Holy smokes, it is overgrown. I am driving through bushes right now.
backing out.
No.
To back up and come through there too.
Should I climb over those logs? I don't think I should. I'm not deflated. Yeah, I'm gonna back up and go back the way I came because I don't want to drive over all those logs.
Yeah, the last thing you need is a stump, one of those sticks to come up through a radiator. Those things, I'm this far in, I have to see the end.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So, final trip out. We're driving out of the Flagpole area via the Switzer Lake Trail. We were going to go down and do the Big Levels Trail yesterday, but we got close to the Big Levels Trail and it was already getting late. And we decided that we were just gonna head back to the Flagpole area, have a nice relaxing camp down by Switzer Lake, and then just head out in the morning. So we didn't make that last trail system. It was too late to start a whole new trail. So that's the end of the journey. We're just heading home now. What a blast.